Hello everyone, you're on the Khan channel. In this video, I'll show you how I sculpted this muscle car, the Chevrolet SS, out of modeling clay. Yes, this model is made entirely out of modeling clay, even though it looks like a store-bought metal or plastic model. But to prove to you that it's really made of modeling clay, I'll show you a couple of photos from the creation process. To start, I began making the bottom of the car out of thin modeling clay, making it about 1 mm thick. To make it easier to create these small elements, for this I used two types of modeling clay, hard sculpting clay and also very hard NSP. Then, after making the bottom, I started building the frame so I could attach the thin body elements to it. Next, I attached the body elements and started outlining the interior, then the front and rear parts. And that's how I sculpted this car entirely out of modeling clay. And this is what the car looked like as a modeling clay sculpture before it was painted. I painted this model with this kind of spray paint from Tamiya. And here's what I managed to make. I hope you have no doubt left that this is made of modeling clay. The model turned out really cool. It was a pleasure to create it. I really like muscle cars, and this is already the second similar car I've made. Well, last time I sculpted a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner to create it. I used the car's blueprints and also looked at the model itself in the game Need for Speed Pro Street. The car, as always, is very well detailed. I made new wheels, not like I usually do. These are 1550-52 rims, and I sculpted them based on Forza Motorsport 3. Also, finally, as many people requested, I made a tread pattern on the tire. It's not very sharp, but you can see it. Next, what I highlighted really well is the underbody. Here, everything looks really cool. Manufacturers of scale models would envy this level of detail. Of course, in some places the paint is scratched here and there, but overall it looks realistic. Next, I'll show you the engines, but first I'll open the hood. I sculpted the engine based on various photos from the internet, and I made the imitation wires out of colored modeling clay, rolling it out until it was as thin as a thread. The trunk can also be opened. There's nothing inside, it's just an extra feature. It's a small thing, but it's nice. Subscribe to the channel. And now I'll show you the interior up close. Not everything is as smooth as it seems. You can't make modeling clay perfectly even. For example, if you look at the model from an angle, when you change the tilt, you can see irregularities. There's a kind of waviness to the body. That's because of the way the clay is worked. And even if I run my finger along the door, I can feel that it's not smooth but a bit wavy. This is the model I ended up with. It took 82 hours of work over 10 days to make. The car turned out to be in 1:24 scale, just like I always do. You could just take this model and put it on a shelf or even put it up on eBay, although that's a bad idea since it would get damaged during shipping anyway. And since it's all made of modeling clay, and clay can be deformed, I made this model specifically to smash it. I specifically made the thin body parts just 1 millimeter thick so they could deform, and to simulate real car damage. Also, to make sure the modeling clay kept its shape and didn't sag, I tightly attached foil to it. This way, the hood, roof and trunk keep their intended shape and don't sag. Plus, the foil makes the bends in the modeling clay look rougher when damaged, which makes the damage look more realistic. Well, I'll crash this model in the next video. For now, I'll show you the whole process of creating this car. From modeling clay from scratch, creating it step by step. To be continued. If you're interested in my clay creations. Also, don't forget to like. Thank you all for watching. To be continued.